Okay, so this is the Intex Pure Spa LED spa light. It's made for the spa, Pure Spa, where it's got a thread, female thread on the back that you can actually screw onto your filter or the inlet. However, I haven't got this in my hot tub. I made a bracket and I just hang it over the skimmer. Do bear in mind though that the light does float, so you do need to fix it somehow. I just got some Perspex, bent it, glued it on the back, and it just hangs over that skimmer. Got two buttons on it. One button is for a steady light, and the other button is for a fade. So you've got white, green, teal, blue, and purple as your steady light, as you can see. There's a green, and then you just push the button again to get your next colour. That's teal, which looks nice. One more push and then you'll get blue. Push it again and you'll get purple. The next button, when you push that, it will then start to fade in and out of all the colours and just keep changing. It does look quite effective at night. It's battery operated and it will turn off in 2 hours. So you're not going to have it running all night, wasting your battery. If you want to turn it back on again, push the button again, it'll come back on. As simple as that. Very, very good. I mean, they're only cheap and it's very, very effective. I mean, pool lights are so expensive, but this is definitely the cheapest option. There's some on eBay, colour changing ones, really, really cheap and nasty. Tried them. As soon as you put them in, they fill up with water. They're not waterproof at all. This is brilliant. Been in that hot tub for a month. No leaks. Nothing. Works fine. Highly recommend it.